I would recommend planning out your packages well in advance when Angie and Charles tell you to.
Always back up your work. Make sure you have 2 drives. It really sucks because I lost all my stuff and it was sad.
Really have to be organized.
Set your scratch disc.
Experience is the best learning opportunity. You're not going to learn it unless you go do it. And also, push yourself out of your boundary.
And plan everything out.
Don't get behind. Work quickly and work ahead.
Work ahead. It's really the best thing you can do because it will come down to crunch time and you'll realize, oh, that's right, I have another project due next week.
Especially for Charles's assignments, you can't wait till the last minute. You can't, and you don't want to. The assignments are never hard, they just take a really long time.
Writing is definitely what needs to happen first, and get everything started early. And then the second part is finding a focus.
We have time to prepare in this class, more than we think. So when we're told to, I think we should definitely prepare. First 2 weeks, get your stories together, that's what I would say.
Come up with your ideas early and think about them, even if you're not going and shooting or editing video. Think about what you're going to be doing and make sure that you have a good idea of what you need to do and by when, and set deadlines for yourself. You know, there are deadlines for packages, but set your own deadlines, and know when you need to get things done. And don't be afraid to ask for help.
There will be times where you want to drop this class. There will be times where you're tired of sitting in the edit bay, you're tired of checking out equipment, but it will be worth it, I promise. I've now had the experience doing breaking news, live shots, news conferences. I've produced 6 packages. I can produce a new newscast if they want me to. I've anchored, I've reported. People have asked me to do interviews. And before this class, I wouldn't have been able to do any of it. So I promise at the end, it will be worth it, and just keep fighting.
Make sure you have fun. Don't stress out. It's not the end of the world. And if you allow yourself to have fun, you'll see yourself starting to improve more.
Everyone was a team, so be a team player. You know, help out everybody else is around you.
Make friends with your classmates.
Hang in there. It's going to be a little rocky, a little rough, but it's only a semester. How bad can it really be?